Hello. Today, let's talk about a nice device. Yeah. Let's make together a nice review. Today, we are taking a closer look at the brand new Honor Magic 8 Pro with a lot of storage. And means this is the one of the best Android flagship smartphones of 2026, maybe? Or maybe not. We will test the design, the display, cameras, AI features, battery life, charging speed, and the overall performance. So let's get started with that. The design and the build quality. Right out the box, the Honor Magic 8 Pro feels like a true premium flagship as well. The premium glass and the metal construction makes a good grip. Elegant black finish, slim bezels, comfortable grip. The durable Honor nano crystal shield protection is really good. And despite the large size, the phone feels well balanced in the hand. It also comes with an IP68 and E69 water and dust resistance. It's making it ready for the everyday use in almost any environment areas as well. I think only the camera is a little bit too big on the back side of the smartphone as well. But the screen is really nice because I think it's a little bit too big, yeah, of course, but I like a little bit smaller smartphones as well because they're more handy. The Magic 8 Pro features a stunning display, 6.7 inches OLED display, 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and a full HD plus resolution. Up to 6000 nits of HDR peak brightness and a Dolby Vision support. Everything looks incredible, smooth, vibrant, and sharp on it. Whether you're watching movies, browsing, social media, editing, photos, or gaming, this display is absolutely gorgeous. Outer visibility is excellent, even under the bright sunlight. Let's go to performance, yeah? The performance brings the Magic 8 Pro in the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5 CPU, yeah, paired with 12GB RAM. 120 will be nice, maybe in a decade. 12GB of RAM, 512GB ultra fast storage, and the performance is simply outstanding as well. Of course, it's really good. Apps launch instantly, multitasking feels effortless, and even depending games run smoothly with high graphics settings. Video editing, AI processing, and heavy workloads are handled without a noticeable slowdown of the flagship, because this is flagship performance in everything. Let's go to the camera test system. The rear camera system comes included a 50 megapixel main camera and an ultra wide camera, 50 megapixel too, 200 megapixel precision scope telephoto camera. Wow, that photo quality is impressive, but I think it's a little bit too much light on it. The image offers an excellent details, accurate colors, wide dynamic range, great low light performance, and a fast autofocus. The telephoto lens is especially impressive, delivering sharp zoom photos while optical image stabilization helps to keep the shot steady. For a video recording, the Magic 8 Pro supports up to 4K 120 frames per second, producing smooth and detailed footage. And on the front, we get a 50 megapixel camera combination with a 3D depth sensor for secure facial recognition and excellent selfie quality too. And we have a big zoom. That means you can get the moon in front of you 200 times. Digital zoom, but it's really good. Let's go to the AI features. Artificial intelligence is one of the biggest highlights of the Magic 8 Pro. Some of the built-in AI features are AI photography, super zoom, night zoom, image enhancement, document scanning, smart editing, productivity tools, and the Magic Operation 10 AI assistant. These features help improve the photos automatically, simplify the everyday tasks, and make the phone feel smarter during the daily use. The Honor continues adding even more AI features throughout the software updates as well. So, maybe there comes big thing. More and more. Let's go to battery and charging. The battery is another major strength. The European version includes a 6,270 mAh battery with support for 100 watt 100 supercharge and 80 watt wireless supercharge. Even heavy user can comfortably get throughout an entire day. Charging is incredibly fast, allowing us to get back to 100% surprisingly short amount of the time. Let's go to the software. We have here, it runs with the Magic Operating System 10, and this is on Android 16. The Magic Operating System offers them plenty of usual features, which are including split screen, floating windows, advanced privacy control, smart multitasking, and smooth animation, extensive customization. The Honor also promises 7 years of Android updates and security patches. That's making this a great long-term investment as well. So let's go to the pros. The pros are premium design, beautiful OLED display, outstanding flagship performance, excellent camera system, powerful AI features, a long battery life, an extreme fast wired and wireless charging, and big storage, and 7 years of support. Cons are some AI features still need further refinements. Your camera model is quite too large, I think, and the photos or videos are a little bit too much light. The premium flagship pricing may not fit every budget, of course. So the Honor Magic 8 Pro is easily one of the most impressive Android smartphones available in 2026. It combines premium hardware, an outstanding camera system, excellent battery life, and blazing fast performance and useful AI features into one complete package. If you're looking for a flagship phone, the Magic 8 Pro absolutely deserves a place on your shortlist. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, please, and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.